everyone, today we'll be unboxing or unbagging the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for June 2021. So let's begin. Okay, so this is the bag for the month. It's a have fun box with cute stuff on it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so the theme is Do You, Bold Moves Only. Okay, so let's see what's inside. The first product I see is this filler brush. It retails for $28. This is what it looks like. It's like a powder brush, it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. The next product is this Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask. And I believe it's a peel-off mask. Yeah. Okay. And this actually retails for $69. Wow. Oops. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Oops. Oh, it's coming out. Wow. Okay. Gonna close that and put it somewhere. Okay. Ipsy. Okay, but yeah, that's the color. Okay. Now let's move on to the next product. This was a Christoph Robin Daily Hair Cream with Sandalwood. So, and this retails for $43. And this one's closed. I like the smell of sandalwood, so excited to try that out. The next item is this Bali Balm Lemon and Black Pepper Lip Balm. This one retails for $33. It's a lip balm. Yeah, it's a clear color. Okay. And there's one last item in the bag, and it is the Galactic Perfect Pair Eyeliner Duo. And they're brown eyeliners, so let's swatch them. Oh, it has a sharpener here. Okay. Let's see. It's a brown eyeliner. Okay, this one's the liquid. Oh, wow, that is thick. Gotta be careful, that is thick. That's the liquid eyeliner. Okay, cool. That's all we have for this box, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.